Hello everyone, welcome to this video on load balancing and how Nginx can help. So I am Safia and today we are going to demystify the concept of load balancing and explore how Nginx with its incredible features can make it work like a charm, right? So, as its core, load balancing is a bit like distributing the workload at an all you can eat buffet. It ensures a smooth and efficient experience for everyone. In the world of web server, it means we are serving our website visitor faster, smarter, and without overloading any one server, right? So, just imagine you have multiple web servers, and that's where Nginx steps in, and it's act like a wise chef who knows exactly which server should serve each visitor, right? So it's like a magic happening behind the scenes. Now let's dive into the specifics and see how this all works. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our insights, right? So let's get started. So here is introduction, right? So just you are an all you can eat buffer, right? And there's a long line of people waiting to get their food, and the chefs are working tirelessly to serve everyone. But what if I told you there's a way to make this experience faster and smoother? So today's we are going to talk about Nginx load balancing feature. It's like having an expert chef behind the scenes, ensuring your website serves your visitor quickly and efficiently, right? So in this presentation we will explore the concept of load balancing using Nginx in simple terms. By the end you will understand how it can significantly improve your website's performance, just like having an efficient chef at a buffer. Get it? So definition of load balancing. So, load balancing is like having a multiple serving stations at a buffet instead of just one. It's a smart way to distribute the workload, ensuring everyone gets their food faster and the chefs don't get overwhelmed, right? So, explain this. Load balancing is a bit like when you go to a popular buffet restaurant, and instead of having just one food station where everyone has to line up, they have multiple stations with different types of food. So this way it's faster for everyone to get their food, and the chefs behind the buffet counter are not swamped with too many hungry customers all at once, right? So load balancing in the world of websites is like having those multiple food stations, but for internet traffic, ensuring that everyone gets what they want quickly without overloading any single server, right? So, next is Nginx role in load balancing. I hope you get a definition of load balancing, right? So, next is Nginx role in load balancing. So, now imagine your website is the buffet and your visitor are the hungry guests. So, Nginx takes on the role of the experienced chef in charge of making sure everyone gets served quickly. So it's like having multiple web servers, and Nginx decides which server should handle each visitor request. Right. So think of your website as a big restaurant where people come to eat. Now imagine you are the owner of this restaurant and you want to make sure all your customers get their food quickly, right? So it's a bit like a chef at a buffet, right? So, but here it things. Your restaurant is really popular and you have lots of customers. So you hire an expert chef, right? Like Nginx, right? So this chef knows exactly how much food each person needs and which chef in the kitchen should quick cook for them, right? So Nginx ensures everyone gets their food without waiting too long. It's like having many chefs working together, but Nginx is the one organizing and assigning tasks so everything runs smoothly. Get it? Next is real world example. So think of it this way: when you visit a popular e-commerce website during a big sale and the site does not slow down or crash. That's because load balancing, just like Nginx, is ensuring that your requests are evenly distributed to multiple servers. This keeps the website responsive. Just like a buffet with multiple serving stations keeps the food following smoothly. Right. So imagine like you are shopping online on a super busy website during a huge sale. Right. So load balancing is like having a clever organizer in the background instead of one chef trying to serve everyone at the buffet. They have multiple chefs to help, right? Nginx is like the organizer. It makes sure all the visitors, it means that you and other shopping online, right, get served quickly and very how. So it directs your request to different servers for chefs, right? Server here server means is chef, so that no single server gets overloaded. So when you click on things or browser the website, Nginx makes sure your request go to the right server, and it's kind of like sending you to the buffet station without the shortest line, right? So this way the website stays fast and you get your shopping done without waiting forever. Right. So, just like at the buffer where multiple server stations keep the food following quickly, Nginx and load balancing keep the website working smoothly, even when there are lots of people trying to use it, right? So, in a nutshell, Nginx and load balancing are like the smart organizers at the buffet, making sure everyone gets served fast, whether it's food or web pages. So I hope you get it right. So there's you have it, and we found uncovered the world of load balancing and how Nginx excels as it. By now you know how Nginx is like the maestro of an orchestra, orchestrating the perfect balance of web traffic to keep your website responsive and efficient. Right. So thank you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with everyone, anyone, and who's curious about web servers and load balancing. And of course, if you have any questions or want to dive even deeper into this topic, so please feel free to drop a comment. Your feedback and questions are invaluable, right? So thank you. for joining us today on this journey of understanding load balancing with Nginx. Until next time, I'm Safia and I will catch you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.